Yeah, looks like we got a bunch of parts in today, so I'm just getting the pile out and taking a look and see what we can get done. These are for the 110, the 104001, the WL. Gonna save that until I get the spur gear, but that should be today or tomorrow too, so that might be another video for today. And here we got, these are for the 112. Probably gonna make it into a truggy. This is the 144002 mounts. So here's where we're at with the 112. So again, I'm waiting for the last motor mount stuff. I ordered those, but these go on the ends so that you can use the truggy body. So and that's kind of where I'm going with it. I might even leave this part on. So that goes with those. Is there anything else in that? This, about 3 weeks ago, I ordered these. They're metal wings for the WL. These are going to go on our basher, our one with the red arms. Hold on, let me grab it. This guy here. So we'll put you back over here. This one we'll probably do today for sure. So this wing goes with this. Again, I'll put a link in the description on all this stuff. These took about 3 weeks to get in, so it took forever. That's not bad. This is my Banggood order I put in a month or so, just about 5 weeks ago. Got another set of wing, or another tail mount for the WL. I order these every time. Same with these wings. Anytime I put in a Banggood order, I put in the wings. Now this wing is going to go on this car too, so that's perfect. 2 for 1. Also, I got, these were on pre-order before, but they came out. These are the swing arm kits for the 114s. Now, I did a video putting these on using the LC Racing versions. These are all aluminum, so they're supposed to be better. I'll probably put a full set of these on this while we're at it, and then take the LC Racing ones off and put them on the EAT14, because that's, right now I have one on the front of each. So this will get a full set. A full set will go on my 112, and then a full set will go on the EAT14. So I think that's what we got for today. Let me get set up, and we'll probably start with this car, and I'll finish the video off with that, and then we'll see what we're doing after that. All right, I'll be back shortly. All right, this should be pretty quick. I'm gonna put the wing on, and these metal, I'll put a link in the description. Took a while to get these, but so you get metal arms, all aluminum. They look pretty good shape. Should go pretty quick. And the wing, so it's just a quick install. Hopefully it'll last a little longer, because up until this point, this WL, I've broken the wing pretty much every time I've taken it. Ooh, I left it plugged in. That's bad. Anyways, so it shouldn't be too long. I'm going to use the screws they provide. Oh, there's so 2 longs, 2 shorts, and 4 smalls. And we got our wing, which we'll have to make new holes for. Save these Eachines. I love these wings. Every time I put in an order with Banggood, I put one of these on there because I'm constantly going through them. They last about as good as a WL, but I just like the shape and the style better. Let's get this out of the way here. you just, in my case, I don't have a wing to take off, but you just remove the two mounts that go into your diff case. I've done these a few times. One for the LC version, one for the WL version, now an aluminum one. So just goes like that. Make sure you got the right ones. The two medium size appear to be the top. So these longer ones go on the bottom. Oh, metal, unmetal just in case. You want that tab to be on the inside. See the little tab there? My version of Loctite. I'm not hankering them down all the way until I get the front ones on. And then I'll go back over them all. Just want kind of feel pretty nice. So it's essentially 8 screws. These ones I'll hanker right down. She really enjoys this car. This is probably her favorite to ride. So other stuff's going on. I should have their parts for the 100 or 104001, the 10.4 tomorrow, Saturday at the latest. We also got a couple new rigs coming. So for this one, I want to leave a little edge there. I'm going to have it sit back a little bit further than normal because sometimes it gets a little close to those. But for that, poke the holes a little. Just a little tap. Then, oh, I'll be right back. I gotta grab my drill. Okay, you need drill. Right, let's go get it, whatever. Okay. So you're not plastic, no loctite. Pretty nice though. We have short video today. Probably another round getting the parts in. Wait, this is not yes, you need loctite. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. antenna. Let's push it through. So I put the tape on there. All right. Find my other body mount, but there she be. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. So yeah, that's the aluminum upgraded fixed tail wing with aluminum top, and then the EC30 and EC30B wing. All right, hope you liked.